Reinventing organ transplants, growing human organs in the lab. Scientists at the University of California, Berkeley have developed a new method to grow human organs in the lab. Using a 3D printer, a scaffold is created and seeded with the patient's own cells. The cells grow and differentiate into the desired organ, which can then be transplanted back into the patient. This breakthrough has the potential to solve problems with traditional organ transplantation. Lab-grown organs offer increased availability, reduced risk of rejection, improved function. They can be tailored to the specific needs of the patient. Lab-grown organs are still in early stages but could treat a wide range of diseases, including kidney, liver, and heart disease. They could also improve the lives of people with congenital defects or injuries. The development of lab-grown organs is a major step forward in the fight against disease. It has the potential to save lives and improve the quality of life for millions of people. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.